For a makeup look I like, I use the Charlotte Bio range. So I start with the CC cream, a small dab on my finger. I apply it everywhere I want to hide and even out my skin. Once the CC cream is well blended and the skin tone is even, I use the concealer. Still Charlotte Bio, which I gently apply to the dark circles under my eyes, but also to any small blemishes. Then we move on to the eyes, a bit of eyeshadow to add a touch of color, and the eye pencil to define the eyes. As for me, I apply it close to the waterline. And of course some mascara to finish the look. I finish with a little bit of highlighter on the cheeks for that glow. And finally, obviously, the lipstick. And you can find the entire Charlotte Bio range on Green-shop.ch.